Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we'll make a very tasty restaurant style chapati and kurma. For this I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour and I have added about half a teaspoon of salt for the 2 cups. You may add salt as per your taste. I have heated 1 cup of water to lukewarm. Add water little by little and mix the dough to this consistency. This will be very soft and pliable. When the dough is at this consistency, add 2 teaspoons of oil, mix well and keep it closed. Now let's see the ingredients for the kurma. I have taken 3 large potatoes, 1 onion, 1 carrot, about 10 to 12 green beans, 200 grams of cauliflower and half a cup of green peas. I have taken frozen peas, you may use fresh peas. I have taken 1 piece of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic you may add as per your requirement. For the masala I have taken 1 spoon of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of poppy seeds, 1 green cardamom, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Dry roast all the spices and make a coarse powder in a mixie. Then add the other ingredients to it to make a soft paste, fine paste. Add the ginger and garlic to it. I have added 1 green chilli. If you need more spiciness, you may add 1 more green chilli. I have added about 1 tablespoon of cut onions and I have added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Make a fine paste of it and now place a pot on the stove, and when the pot is hot, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds splutter and they change color and is aromatic, add the cut onion to the pot and saute for 1 to 2 minutes, and then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. If you need more red chili powder, you may add as per your requirement. 1 teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now saute well till the raw smell of the powders are gone. Now add the ground masala to it and saute for a minute till the raw smell of the garlic and ginger is gone. Now cut all the vegetables in almost the same size. The cauliflower, carrot, beans and potatoes are cut to similar size, and wash the vegetables and the green peas. Now when the masala is aromatic, add the washed vegetables to it and saute for a couple of minutes to mix with the masala. Add required salt. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. Add salt and saute well so that everything mixes well together and cooks evenly. I have added about 1.5 cups of water. You may add 1.5 cups of water and then later on, if required, you may adjust the water. So add the water, mix well and let it to boil. When it starts boiling, cover with the lid, keep it on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. By then the vegetables will be cooked. Now add about 50 ml of milk, which will give good taste. Add the milk when the vegetables are almost cooked. Add that, mix well, cover and let it boil on sim. low flame. Now make equal balls of the dough and start rolling slightly, because it will be very easy to roll, because the dough has rested well, so it will be soft and pliable. So roll well, and now brush oil on top of the dough. After brush, roll it little big and then brush oil, so that the oil is distributed throughout the chapati. Now brush oil and then add little wheat flour itself on top of it. Sprinkle little wheat flour. Making it this way will be very tasty than the chapatis you make at a in the regular way. Now fold it into half and brush oil on this side also. Brush well so that it is brushed on all sides of the dough. Only then it will cook really very well. It will be very tasty. Once you make it this way, you will always want to make it the same way. Add some flour, sprinkle flour on top of it and fold it to a triangle. Now roll all the atta balls to triangle shape and keep it so it will be comfortable for you to roll it to the final shape. Now follow the lines on the three sides and roll it carefully so that you get the shape also, and it's rolled evenly on all sides. Otherwise it will not cook well and it will not puff. So roll it well, only then it will form layers. Slightly, very lightly roll it and see that all the three corners of the triangle is at the same thickness. Roll well. Once you get the required shape and size, you can start cooking it on the tawa. So now roll it until you are satisfied that the shape has been made. Now check the kurma. The kurma will be thick and done. Add coriander leaves, mix it well, and the kurma is done. You may close it with a lid. This is a very tasty kurma and very appetizing. Now place a tawa on the stove and brush oil on one side of the dough and place the oil side on the tawa and brush some oil on top also when the chapati will start puffing like this. So this is the right consistency and this is the right way to make these chapatis. All the chapatis will fluff up like this and it will be very tasty. It will be very tasty. Keep it on medium. Keep the flame on medium and cook it, otherwise it will burn. So when you do this, it will be very tasty. This will be very soft and it will form pockets, which is the right consistency, and when you make it this way, it will be very tasty. This kind of chapati and this kurma is a very good combination. I am sure every one of you will try this and enjoy the dish and comment without fail. If you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe, press the bell icon and choose the all option, when you will get notification for all the videos that I post. You can make all the recipes without missing them. They are all very tasty recipes and I am sure you will like it. Let's meet in the next video.